Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Seek for Beauty. In today's video I will show you how I transformed my bedroom and especially the bed area with some extra shelves, cushions and throws. It's a very short video and I really hope you like it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see my new uploads. This is my bedroom and I want to add two side tables, some picture frames on the wall, and then I also want to decorate the bed with extra cushions and a throw. I got two small floating shelves from IKEA to use as side tables because I don't have enough space and nothing else would fit. They are very easy to install. You just put the screws on the wall and then you slide the shelf on top to lock the position. Then I also added three frames on the wall behind the bed. I chose these beautiful prints. You can find many beautiful ideas on Pinterest. I got this beautiful duvet set from IKEA and I will leave a link for a similar one because this one is out of stock right now. I also got these two oversized cushions and white covers from IKEA. They are 26 by 26 inches. I just love how soft and fluffy these covers are. And I will place them against the headboard. I love this kind of bed decoration. Then on top of them I will place our sleep pillows, which are covered with the covers from the duvet set. And last I want to add an extra layer and a different texture, so I will place these fluffy cushions. Then to finish the bed decoration I will also add a beautiful white throw. This specific throw and the cushions are both from Greece, so I cannot link the exact same products because probably you're not in Greece, so I will link you some alternative options from IKEA for cushions and for throws. Another great addition to complete the decoration of my bedroom was a small artificial plant in each shelf, and I got this one from IKEA and this pot as well. I will leave you links for all the products that I've used down below in the description box, and some products are from Greece, so I will leave you links to similar products that you can find to do the same decoration. If you like this bedroom makeover, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for all the new videos. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next one.